Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually going prom dress shopping with my daughter, so I'm like, why not just record this look, right? So yeah, so if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't.
Okay, so I haven't played with this palette in like literally forever. This is from McGrath and this is Mothership 5. She looks like so. Yeah, and I'm gonna just jump into this because I don't have a lot of time. So yeah, I'm gonna use this 441 from Morphe, and I'm gonna go into this dark shade right here. No time, no time, no time. Ooh, just gonna put that here. I know this is gonna blend like a dream because her shadows always do. Her shadows are so good. And you can create this look with like any palette, guys. Like, I'm not saying to go buy a McGrath palette to create this look, because I know McGrath is pretty pricey, but I have the palette, so I'm using them. But there's no rule that say you have to go use the same ones, because you can get other palettes out there sorry, that has the same kind of shades. Just, will the quality be the same? Maybe not, but will you be able to create the same look with it? Yes. So at the end of the day, that's what's important. She's a M505 actually. I'm gonna take a little bit of the light brown, which is this shade right here. Yeah, and I'm just gonna use that just to buff the edges a little bit because it's kind of like dark. This is a 421. I know I'm moving quick, but I gotta go. And I'm just putting some glitter glue. And now I'm gonna go into, so first I'm going to go into this shade right here, and then this shade right here in the inner, like kind of further into the inner corner. You could literally leave this look like this, but why would I want to do that? That's not me. For McGrath, you don't even need the glitter glue, because mother don't play. And I'm just gonna clean the same brush. And then I'm gonna go into that shade that I wanted. Just put that right here. It's like, this is almost like wet.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you.
I'm actually gonna take, this is an E17, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here and just, because I need to buff it up nicely.
Get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say
And now I'm gonna go back to that really dark shade.
we got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through.
Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back.
What's going on? Don't waste your time.
Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done, and we're gonna jump into the face. I use this. I might try to use this again. I'm trying to figure out how to use this for it to work out for me, because I haven't been having the best experience with it. This is actually, it's a Studio Fix Tech. It's cream to powder foundation from MAC. I just feel like it doesn't have that much coverage.
got you. Don't play me, 'cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me.
I put this on top of my ears, but I don't think that's gonna work out there. And I've used this before. This is definitely not cream to powder. I feel like this still stays like kind of just like the type of foundation it is. My issue with this is it's like, or one of my issues with it, it's thick, but it's not, you know, giving you a lot of coverage. Can't wait to take off this braid in my hair this week. 2 weeks and time to take braid out. So it's not even 2 weeks yet. Okay, I feel like I need something else. This is actually from Nars. It's a tinted moisturizer. Let's see, let's put a little bit of this on here. Ooh, but this was nice. It's like you use this and then you just put a little bit of this on it. Ooh, this is nice. Because if you look at this, this is still tacky. So if you don't put anything on there, I feel like it's just gonna be a big old mess. I use medium from Tarte Chip Tip.
Say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean.
Be careful if you use Tarte and you have dry under eye. You don't want to leave it for too long because it does dry up pretty fast. I think it's not crazy, but it happens. Okay, so yeah, something in here I'm gonna use. I haven't used it for a minute. This is from Flesh Beauty, and this is I think it's a foundation stick too. It looks like so. It's so pretty. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that with my E34 from Morphe. So like, look at this. You can just do like one stamp and this is good. Okay, now let's go ahead and blend the concealer out. This is giving me a nice little soft finish. Just blend this. I don't want to spend too much time here because your girl gotta go. What's the time? It's too long. I have to leave here by 1:30. Because the mall closes early today. So. This is Topaz from Jeffree store. This should work. Okay, this brush, I'm gonna leave it this way because I might still need it, but it definitely gonna go in the dirty stuff too after this, just to kind of get all of them washed. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder. Me and this dance. Let's put a little bit of base.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace.
Okay. Let's move to the face. I'm gonna use this. This is from Makeup by Orlando, and I'm just gonna go in with just like this shade right here. When you bronzing, you know, you want to do a 3 kind of shape. See, like technically is this and this, but so that's the shape you're trying to, you know, accomplish. I don't want this look to be too crazy. I always say that and it does end up being crazy, but that's not the goal today. And now I'm gonna go into this shade and just take a little bit with my Alleyoop brush. So that's it, nothing crazy today. Let's Go Nude from Bare Minerals. Where is my powder? Okay, let's jump into that lower lash line. Let's jump in the lower lash line. I have practically no fallout with this, but this is anti-pat, so a mother that she called herself. Now we're gonna go into that brown. And now I'm taking a 406. And I'm just gonna go into that same light shade and just bring it down. Like so. Okay, let's put on a little highlighter. I don't want anything crazy. What is this? Oh, this is from Jeffree, and this is PH Topaz. That's my name. Yep. I'm gonna put Marc Jacobs Black Curl in my waterline. Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't. And let us line the lips. Let us line the lips. Let's use lip liner 2.0 from, what's her name? Dragon Beats. And it goes. Let's use this Forget the Filler from Lawless Beauty. And that's all the face. Oops. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun creating this amazing, you know, everyday look. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys. Get what you need, get what you need. What I